Hello, embedded engineers, developers, and makers. Welcome to In Case You Missed It, Embedded Insights, the weekly news show all about embedded technologies and solutions from embedded computing design. It's Friday, April 25th, 2025. I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and these are our top stories this week. First up, next week, on April 30th, the Cerebro clusterboard will launch on Kickstarter from the independent, community-driven Dutch team at Sparklab Solutions. Now, this new clusterboard is designed to support up to 4 interchangeable modules. Now, these could be anything from the NVIDIA Jetson NX, Raspberry Pi CM4 or CM5, or even a Radxa CM5, all connected on a single board with USB 3.1 Gen 2 and HDMI multiplexers, M.2 storage and expansion per node, and an upgradable BMC or board management controller in a micro-ATX based form factor to fit a 1U rack case. Check it out, links down below, and get ready to back this campaign. I think you're going to want to. Our next story comes from Gopel, which has added streaming capabilities to its FlashFox Universal Programmer. The company says that FlashFox can now retrieve programming data directly from a central server, allowing for up-to-date, centralized, real-time Flash programming, which is very cool. That sort of in-the-mode changes. The built-in web server does allow access through any browser for configuration and diagnostics, and supports remote oversight and maintenance, even at isolated production sites. In news from the Linux community, Widcio, an Avnet subsidiary, announced that it has joined a strategic collaboration with Canonical, which is the publisher of Ubuntu, or Linux Ubuntu, to introduce various innovations for the fast-growing embedded and IoT markets. Widcio is already an authorized provider for Ubuntu Pro for devices, which is Canonical's comprehensive subscription for open source security. Said Joe Doolin of Canonical. Ubuntu is continuing to grow its influence and drive innovation in the IoT space, enabling innovators to push boundaries. With Widcio now offering Ubuntu Pro for devices, customers gain long-term security, scalability, and the expert support they need to build future-proof embedded systems. That's the end of the quote right there. Finally, featuring our own EVP Rich Nass. He's written a column about Wi-Fi Halo, in which he gives us a full download on the spec, where he was learning about it from Morse Micro, a company that offers it, and the company's latest SoC transceiver. He even outlines his own personal field test of Morse Micro's Halo Link 1. Definitely check out that column. It's a lot of fun. Coming up fast, next month, your embedded computing design editorial team will be in Taipei for Computex 2025. The link is down below for all the news before, during, and after the show. You can go ahead and get involved with everything that we'll be doing at Computex at the links down below, and I hope you do help us help you enhance your participation. That's it for this week. Make sure you look for the In Case You Missed It LinkedIn newsletter for even more stories that you don't want to miss, coming out every Monday. Make sure you subscribe over on LinkedIn. And while you're at it, subscribe here to our LinkedIn YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our shows. Visit embeddedcomputing.com for all the news in the embedded industry and computing space. And follow us on LinkedIn and all across the web. Please reach out if you would like to become a sponsor or an advertiser here on In Case You Missed It. That's our show. While you're here, check out our newest episode of Dev Kit Weekly, which just came out about an hour ago. I hope you check that out and give that a like as well. But for now, see you next week. Have a great day.